just a typical YouTuber here telling you that this price prediction will change your life in the next 3 weeks, but I cannot be more accurate in my opinion because I made a video on 3 days ago that Bitcoin hit 44k, and on the next day I pretty much said this is a game changer. 2 days ago we'll hit 48k. Here in my car with my wife I said 48k, and we got it down to DT, and this is why I believe we'll be exploding in the next 3 weeks. This is the 2-day chart. No, the 2-day chart is right here. And I do believe the move that we're waiting for will happen somewhere around here. I should probably have a have it tested out. So each bar would be 1 day, so that would probably be somewhere around here. Let's draw it out here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So somewhere around here, I believe, and quote me on this, you can ask me in the comment section if I was right or wrong, that a lot of things will change within this range. There's a few reasons on the chart right now, but before we start, just slap the like button. Really helps me out with the YouTube algorithm. You have no idea. And if you do not slap the like button, I will find you and I will slap you, I promise you that. And also subscribe. I'm trying to hit 50,000 subscribers. As you can see, it's not that easy, but I will try to be the biggest YouTuber in the stratosphere, in the crypto space. So if you want to learn about the hottest news first, you want to subscribe to the channel. If you want to trade futures with low fees but a chance to win a Tesla, have a link for AMX in the description down below. So let's talk about Bitcoin and why I think a lot of things will change. You can see that on the chart. You can see that on the chart. To the chart, we are above the 21 EMA. I'll remove some of the indicators because it might be a little too shiny for you, but as you can see right here, this is the 21 EMA. We've moved past it with a very strong accumulation zone. The only issue right now is that volume is going down, but we are not in the US time zone yet. Maybe when you're watching this video, we would be. Then a few good things is that we are printing some form of a W pattern. It is an abomination of a W pattern, but it is a W pattern. We got this down to the T. And when we check out the 1 hour chart and the 3 hour chart, there's a few good things. First of all, VWAP right here is trending up, just like here. It's trending up. We are again above the 21 EMA, obviously. And I cannot imagine how accurate were we. I told you guys, this is the area. And we got to this area exactly. Then on the 3 hour chart, yes, VWAP is going down, but the waves are very strong. We print the higher wave, which is another bullish signal. We might have some correction, but that does not matter that much. I'm very excited for the next 2 weeks. Let me know what you think about the Bitcoin price in the comment section down below. If you want to see more videos just like this, subscribe, because I don't want to miss you out. You saw me because of the YouTube algorithm. I want to see you in the next video.